Hey, here we go. First pool of the season. She can't even wait for it to get loaded, to get filled. Goody. Oh boy. Goody my goody. Oh, she's so happy. Still too chilly for me. Just a second, Gertie. Okay, hang on. Whoop. Okay, go play in the pool. Ow! Gerda, my Gert. Goody, goody, goody. Oh, she playing in the pool. Oh, she playing in the pool. Oh, goody, my goody. Oh, good girl. Oh, she love the pool. Puka, you're acting just like Bombalina. Oh, I'll just drink from it. Yes. Oh, I'm not going to stay here too long. Black flies are out. Okay? You enjoy that, huh? Good girl, Gertie. What a happy girl. Oh, yes. Goody. You silly. Goody, goody. Oh, I can't stand the black flies. I'm out of here, Gertie. Okay? Should I leave you guys outside? What do you think? No? Oh, Scheme. Scheme says, what on earth was that? Okay, we'll go back out as soon as I have my shower, okay? You guys. Actually, I think I'll leave you guys out. Goody.